Thinking about remodeling your bathroom before selling your home? In 2026, the right choices can significantly boost your resale value. Data shows that a mid-range bathroom remodel returns about 70% of its cost at resale, outperforming upscale renovations. While upscale projects cost more, mid-range updates offer a better return because they align better with market expectations. On average, a $21,000 investment adds over $15,000 in value. It's about meeting, not exceeding, the neighborhood standard. So, what are buyers looking for today? The 2026 market prioritizes functionality, modern finishes, and smart storage. Walk-in showers are now preferred over tubs in most demographics, especially in master suites. A double vanity is a major selling point, providing the space and convenience that modern families demand. Buyers also look for consistent finishes like matte black or brushed nickel, paired with a clean, neutral color palette. Let's break down the 5 highest value upgrades you can make right now, starting with the tub-to-shower conversion. This is the single most popular upgrade, though you should keep at least one tub if your home targets families. Number 2. Updating the vanity. Replacing dated cabinets with a modern floating style and quartz counters has a massive impact. Third is tile and flooring. Large format neutral tiles are the safest bet for broad appeal and a modern feel. Fourth, don't overlook lighting. Good lighting makes a space feel cleaner, larger, and far more luxurious. Finally, a simple cosmetic refresh of paint and hardware can return up to 100% of its cost. However, it's easy to over-improve. Avoid bold colors or luxury finishes that don't match your neighborhood's price point. Removing your only bathtub or skipping necessary permits can actually kill a sale or lower your final price. Always research comparable homes in your neighborhood first to ensure your budget aligns with the local market. Identify if the standard in your area is builder grade or luxury and set your renovation goals accordingly. The best results come from working with a real estate agent and a certified contractor who understand resale value. Timing is also key. Start planning 4 to 6 months before listing to avoid rushing and ensure everything is perfect. A full renovation takes 6 to 10 weeks. Completing it early allows the space to settle and any minor issues to be addressed. In summary, focus on mid-range updates, stick to neutral trends, and always keep your specific local market in mind. Ready to maximize your home's value? Bath Estimates connects you with contractors who specialize in pre-sale renovations. Visit bathestimates.com today to get free quotes and start your journey toward a successful home sale.